everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about kohlrabi, and I have a list of foods broken up into different categories that are known to pair well with kohlrabi. So if you're looking for some recipe or meal ideas using that vegetable, then hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, bacon, beans in general, bean sprouts, beef, chicken, ham, lentils, peas, seafood, and sesame seeds. In the vegetables category, other vegetables that pair well with kohlrabi includes broccoli, cabbage, carrots, celery, celery root, chilies, chives, cucumbers, fennel, garlic, ginger, greens in general, horseradish, leeks, lettuce in general, mushrooms, onions, potatoes, radishes, root vegetables in general, shallots, spinach, tomatoes, and turnips. In the fruit category, there's apples, blueberries, cantaloupe, honeydew melon, and lemon. In the grains and grain products category, there's corn, couscous, quinoa, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy foods category and their products, we have butter, cheese in general, but especially blue cheese, feta, goat, Gouda, Parmesan, ricotta, and Swiss cheeses, cream, and sour cream. In the other foods category, there's maple syrup, mayonnaise, mustard, as in prepared mustard, oil, especially grapeseed, mustard, olive, peanut, and sesame oils. Then there's soy sauce, stock, sugar, vinegar, especially balsamic vinegar, fruit vinegar of any type, red wine vinegar, rice wine vinegar, and white wine vinegar. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.